na iningi labantu
sebenza phansi abantu
emotweni
nayi ngaleni
ilele
Welcome to Most Shocking, the channel where real moments caught on camera reveal the side of the world few are ready to see. From chilling CCTV footage to unbelievable real-life incidents, we expose how quickly ordinary situation can turn dangerous. These are not movies. These are real people, real consequences and moments that will leave you stunned. Watch closely, because the camera never blinks. This old man opened fire inside a shop, striking a woman and sending terrified customers fleeing in panic as chaos broke out.
Set your place on fire, let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire, let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire, let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire, let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire, let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire.
Shop owner was robbed by a group of boys and cried out for help, but no one answered as fear kept everyone away.
I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher.
You just watched Most Shocking, where real moments are caught on camera, reveal the world as it truly is. If these videos open your eyes, make sure to subscribe for more shocking footage, real stories, and unseen moments you won't find anywhere else. Stay aware, stay alert, and we'll see you in the next one.